In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT as a professional Roblox scripting assistant to generate high-quality Lua scripts for your game. I start by typing a prompt that defines ChatGPT's role as a helpful expert that provides clean code and easy-to-understand explanations with helpful comments. The AI immediately outlines exactly how it can assist, offering a wide range of examples including leaderboards, UI menus, and custom NPC behaviors. Next, I ask the AI to write a script for a part that glows and cycles through red, blue, and green colors every 3 seconds. ChatGPT delivers a complete guide that includes the specific location for the script in the Explorer and a detailed breakdown of the color switching table. The response even includes optional code snippets to help me adjust the brightness or the speed of the transition to fit my game's aesthetic. Finally, I prompt the AI to create a coin collection system where players earn points on a leaderboard when they touch a disappearing part. ChatGPT provides a dual script solution that handles both the player's currency data and the physical interaction with the coin in the workspace. It explains how the leader stats folder works and includes a clever script for respawning the coin after a few seconds so players can keep collecting. This workflow shows just how quickly you can build complex systems by letting an AI handle the heavy lifting of the coding process. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.